Veo 3, and this is the video editor inside of Gemini. This one is pretty damn impressive. So let's go to Tools, Videos with Veo. And you know what I would probably do before I generate the video, to be honest, is I'd create a really good scope. And so let's do something creative. I'm gonna go to my meeting and I'm gonna get the key takeaways from our meeting. Let's copy that from the meeting and I'm gonna put it into my prompt here and I'm gonna say, I just wrapped up a meeting and here are the key takeaways. I wanna generate a video representing a heroic small business owner who's just learnt all of these things. You should use some specific things that we've learnt in this meeting and make them come alive in the video that you create. And from this prompt, I want you to create a specification for a Gemini generated video that will really pop, that I can put into Gemini as a prompt for Veo 3. All right, so let's do that. Veo 3. Okay, so that's my full instructions. Then I'm going to paste all the takeaways. And I'm using Gemini Pro. So you've got two options. You've got Flash for quick responses. It's a bit like Googling. And then you've got Pro, which does everything and thinks a bit harder. So here we go. Here's the specification. Now, remember, I'm doing this in 2 stages. I'm using Gemini to help me think, and I'm using Gemini to help me create a scope, and then I'm going to take this and put it back into Gemini in a new chat. That kind of 2-stage process is important to practice and learn how to do. Okay, cool. So there we go. Wow. So it's literally got multiple scenes here. I don't know if it's going to be able to handle doing multiple scenes because I think Veo just does one scene, but let's chuck it in anyway and see what happens. All right, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna go new chat. I'm gonna choose video with Veo. It's gonna put together one 8-second video with sound. So let's put that in. So I put in my full scope and let's hit submit. Now it is gonna take about a minute to generate our video here. Let's let it do its thing. It's created a video for us. Let's see what it's come up with.
We built this from the ground up.
That's it. Okay. That one wasn't all that impressive. But there you go, that's video. The photo realism of Veo is absolutely insane. Yeah, go ahead and try that out. If you want to actually do more with Veo, you can there's a whole Veo app. You pay a couple $100 a month and you can generate many more. It says here you can only generate 3 per day at the moment, but that is Veo.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.